नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। तो इस वीडियो में मैं बस अनबॉक्स करने वाला हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू अनबॉक्स दिस प्रोटीन बाय माई प्रोटीन विच आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड ऑनलाइन। मैंने इसको ऑनलाइन मंगाया है। तो बेसिकली पहले मैं बता दूँ एक्चुअली व्हाट आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड। So I have ordered like a week ago, but I have not unboxed it yet because I didn't get time to unbox it. And a week ago, I have ordered 2 Impact Whey Proteins, not isolate, just concentrate. 2 Impact Whey Protein. The flavor of first one is chocolate smooth, and the second one is caramel brownie. And I got it for I have paid 5,199 for chocolate smooth 2.5 kilograms and 4,614 rupees for caramel brownie 2.5 kilograms. And in MyProtein has offered me that they will give a resistant band of 2 pack for free, and 2 diet plans. One is for weight loss, and second one is for to build. Second one is to build muscle, right? They are actually 2 guidebooks, and within half an hour I have received on my email. Okay, so there are 2 books of 50 to 54 pages, but there also includes the how to calculate your BMR, your daily protein requirement, daily carbs requirement, daily fat requirement, and including with the exercises you have to do to build muscle, to fat loss, etc. And one more thing, it's included in the box is one double dough brownie of 60 grams just for sample. So in total I have paid 9,814 for all of these items, and I am going to quickly unbox these. And just one more thing before unboxing this box, I'll show you that it is now completely sealed. From below also, from above also. And one more thing, why is there, if you guys are thinking that why is there a price difference between the two flavors, even though both of them are of 2.5 kilograms. So I'll quickly tell you. If I open this chocolate smooth flavor, and if I go to not product overview, ingredients, okay, just a second, not ingredients, nutrition information. So in this, if I have to compare these two, chocolate smooth, this one. So in chocolate smooth, the serving size is 25 grams. In the other one, it is also the scoop size of 25 grams. But in this, you will get a protein of 19 grams, of which 0.9 grams of sugar and 1.9 grams of carbohydrate in every scoop. And my second flavor is caramel brownie. So in caramel brownie, just a second, let me find caramel brownie for you. Masala chai, kulfi, coffee, mango, chocolate smooth, cream, unflavored, caramel, salted caramel. Yes, this one. So in this one, the serving size of the scoop is also 25 grams, and you will also get protein of 19 grams, in which the sugar content is little bit higher. It is only 0.1 gram per scoop. It's 1 gram, and fat is 1.8 grams. See, if you open MyProtein website and go to the nutrition information section in whey protein, either in whey protein isolate or whey protein concentrate, you will get a variety of flavors. For example, coffee caramel, rocky road, chocolate coconut, masala chai, kulfi, coffee, mango alfonso, chocolate smooth, chocolate brownie, cookies and cream, etc., etc. See, in some flavors you will get you have to pay higher price for 2.5 kilograms, and in other flavors you have to pay a little bit less. That depends on the protein protein existence per scoop. Like in cookies and cream, you will get 20 grams of protein per scoop, and if you have to buy unflavored, you will get 21 grams of protein per scoop. I am not claiming this. it's written on their website. You can check on your own. In banana flavor, you will get a protein of 20 grams, but the cost is a little bit higher. Okay, so let's quickly unbox this. And previously, I have ordered only one refill pack of whey protein concentrate from MyProtein website, and the flavor I have chosen that time was chocolate coconut. I liked the flavor, but it was okay. It was not very good in taste and not very bad. It was in the between. It exists in between. So on the flip side, I am just going to quickly unbox this. And after that, I have got a new shaker here. I have got it for only 400 rupees. So I am going to, after unboxing the refill pack, I am going to add half a scoop in this shaker, and I have also a water bottle. I am going to check regarding the consistency, taste, and whatever, etc. So that mixability also. तो ओपन करते हैं इसको क्विकली. Bubble wrap. Here, see, as written in my orders, they have sent 2 resistance bands, see, from MyProtein, and the load it will bear is from 2 to 16 kilograms. Okay. There is also an MRP written here is 1099, but I know it's 50% cheaper than the MRP, maybe. And here, MyProtein double dough brownie. So it's a brownie, or you can say it's a protein bar or chocolate bar from MyProtein, which is free. It's in my order. And when I have ordered this product like 2 weeks ago or 10 to 12 days ago, I don't remember the exact date. There was a discount going on that if I buy like if I buy products for more than 7,000 or 7,500, I will get more than 30% discount. I assume I got 33% discount from MyProtein. I calculated that time, but now I don't remember. So this one is chocolate smooth flavor. I will show you. This is a refill pack of 2.5 kilograms, and on their website, if you are going to buy this Impact Whey Protein, you won't get this one container. You will get a refill, but I only care about the protein inside this. Okay, so why have to pay more for a stupid box? I have already got a box of Diamantine, which is currently empty. I am going to unfill this pouch and will fill this pouch in this container. Okay, so the size is 2.5 kilograms. You guys can see it. It's written here. And I can see that it is imported by MSM Retail Private Limited, Noida. There is also tag of 5. Date of manufacture is November 2021. I think they are giving a discount because they want to sell their old items. It's more than 7 months old, but it's okay. It's best before May 2023, and I think I'm going to consume this one within 45 to 50 days. The container I think it's also authentic because I ordered it directly from MyProtein website, MyProtein.in. I'm going to put it there, and this one. This is caramel brownie flavor. It's also the weight is 2.5 kilograms, and the packing of this, the date of manufacture of this refill is September 2021. It's also imported by MSM Retail Private Limited. So if I just type on Google authentic MyProtein India importer, authentic importers of MyProtein in India, and see, click on the link. Take a look below at the authenticity of the product. Okay. So for authenticity, it's written on their website that thank you for buying MyProtein. We can confirm that you have searched for a correct batch number. This product is a genuine and authentic MyProtein product. This product has been manufactured and produced in the UK. So where are the steps? There is a toll-free number, and in case of any further questions, you can just email or call the toll-free number. Yes, it's written here that below are our partners in India. Importer and online distribution partner is MSN Retail Private Limited, and for offline retail distribution partner is Uni Global Distributors Private Limited. See, it's written on their website. The website link is myprotein.co.in. I'll type the description. I will type this link in the description box. And there are no spelling mistakes on any of the two, as far as I can see. And it is imported in October 2021, and the other flavor chocolate smooth was imported on December 2021. And the MRP of this one, caramel brownie flavor, is 8,999, and for this one is also the same, 8,999. And their official site of UK is myprotein.com, myprotein.commercial. So I'm thinking which one to open first. This one is caramel brownie. This one is chocolate smooth. So I'm going to unbox chocolate smooth. Aha. And there is this bubble wrap in this box and nothing else, as you can see, totally empty. These key label pouch. Okay, that's good. That smell is really nice. I really have a sweet tooth. And to find the scoop inside this, it's a bit tough, but yes, I found the scoop. I was just like it nearly on the top. And to show you the scoop, so this is the scoop that they have provided, and the package which I have ordered the last time, it was the same scoop. I'll show you. It was inside the box. See, the scoop is same, and there are markings inside the scoop. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Now to tell you regarding the mixability and consistency of this product, I have to fill it inside. goes my protein, 1 complete scoop, almost, if I'm not wrong. And I'm going to quickly seal this pouch. So that it doesn't get soaked in the mustard. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. Almost. If you are in a hurry and you also want to see the entire video, you can watch the video in 1.5x or 1.75x. According to you, that's up to you. I recommend watching this video in 1.5x or at least 1.25x. Okay. I'm not going to dilute this whey protein into so much water because I really want the taste. I really want to taste this, the actual taste, not the diluted one. So I'm going to shake this. That's enough. And see, I don't know if you are able to see this, but I don't think I don't. I'm not seeing any lumps here. तो ये डिजोल्व हो गया है अच्छे से और नीचे भी कुछ बैठा हुआ नहीं है, तो इसे एक दो बार और चेक करता हूँ और मैं इसका टेस्ट ट्राई करता हूँ। चॉकलेट स्मूथ, ठीक है, जैसे चॉकलेट की आइसक्रीम होती है स्टिक वाली या कोन, वैसे टेस्ट है। थोड़ा सा लाइट फ्लेवर है। आई थिंक चॉकलेट, ये जो कैरामल ब्राउनी है थोड़ा सा इससे स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा। अगर टेस्ट की बात करूँ तो कोकोनट चॉकलेट से आधा पॉइंट ऊपर है ये। चॉकलेट कोकोनट की बजाय ये मंगा लिया जाए तो बेटर है, बट वो सस्ता है। So that's all guys, and from the past more than 1.5 months I'm using this MyProtein, and I think it's genuine. I think it's not fake, क्योंकि रिजल्ट भी ठीक लगे मेरे को। बाकी रिजल्ट तो मेनली आपकी डाइट पे भी डिपेंड करता है। मैंने भी जस्ट बस स्टार्ट किया थोड़ा सा वेट लिफ्टिंग फिट रहने के लिए। मैं कोई बॉडी बिल्डिंग प्रोफेशनल तो हूँ नहीं। बाकी सिर्फ इसके भरोसे नहीं बैठे रहना चाहिए। जो डाइट है मैं कंप्लीट कर रहा हूँ, लाइक आई एम ईटिंग 60 to 70 grams, not 60 70 grams, 200 to 300 grams chicken daily, and approximately there is 25 to 28 grams protein in chicken breast. And rather than that, I am having this protein shake after my workout daily, and I am eating, I am consuming six eggs, 6 boiled eggs with 2 whole eggs and 4 egg whites daily. And regarding the omelette, yes, for the dinner I can cook myself an omelette, an oats omelette, of 5 to 6 eggs. I think I am consuming 100 to 120 grams protein daily. I think that's enough. And okay, so see you guys in my next video. I hope you like the video. ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे, बाय।